What do my Mac, iPhone, and iPad all have in common right now? UPDF. That's literally the only thing. All joking aside, this video is all about UPDF. Big thank you to UPDF for sponsoring this video. Full disclosure, money happened, so here we are. I'm going to talk about the benefits and the advantages of UPDF as an app. UPDF Editor is a versatile and powerful PDF editing solution for macOS, iPad, iPhone, and even those Android users that we don't like to talk about. This thing reads, it annotates, it edits, it syncs, it converts, it encrypts, it signs, and it organizes PDFs. Does a lot. But what sets it apart from everything else these days are those magic little letters that everybody else likes to talk about, AI. And it has seamless integration of these AI-powered capabilities. It allows users to translate, summarize, and explain across all their different devices. AI is really the big headlining feature of this app. Anything that you want to do in here is not particularly special to this app aside from the AI. So if I want to annotate something, sure. Edit, rearrange PDF, sure. This isn't new, but the ability to have AI baked in is where the power comes in. So what can UPDF AI do? It can summarize efficiently. UPDF AI generates accurate summaries of hundreds of pages within seconds. So you don't need to go through lengthy documents on short notice. UPDF AI has your back. And seriously, I can attest to this. You literally upload a document and it goes through and it summarizes, and then you can engage and interact with the document back and forth. You can ask it questions and it will give you an accurate summary of everything that's inside of that PDF document. Very helpful for things that are very long-winded and long form. It can also translate quickly. Say goodbye to language barriers with UPDF AI. It lets you translate over 38 languages with remarkable precision. Whether it's Korean, French, or Arabic, UPDF handles it all. You can explain deeply. Whether you're a student or a professional, UPDF AI provides in-depth explanations of any selected text in your documents. And this is also very helpful because you can highlight a section and have it explain or summarize certain segments to you. Fantastic. And you can ask about your documents. Again, talking about how you can interact directly with them. UPDF lets you upload your documents to the cloud, then you can ask related questions and quickly extract the main idea of the document. And because it lives in the cloud, it's available across all of your devices. So you can pick it up on your phone if you're out and about. You can do some more deep work at home on your Mac. Seriously, the versatility here is awesome. And you can even chat with AI built directly into the software. Think of like ChatGPT built right in. UPDF AI lets you explore any topic beyond the boundaries of your document. You can chat about any topic that piques your curiosity. This is really helpful if you're writing and you don't want to get out of the workflow of what you're doing. You can just open up that side window and ask AI any questions if you need a helpful thought or a summary around a topic to get the ball rolling on more creative input. There's even AI Online now, which is an entirely new version of UPDF that allows you to utilize the AI functionalities anywhere without needing to install the app on your phone. Pretty cool. In summary, UPDF AI's tools really enhance the user's ability to automate, analyze, and effectively communicate more document information within their PDF systems. It's really groundbreaking. And of course, just like many other PDF softwares out there, you have the ability to annotate, you have the ability to sign, input stickers, ask for signatures, protect PDFs, convert PDFs, anything that you might want to do. It does it easily and seamlessly. The user interface is very friendly, it's easy to navigate, and again, the fact that you can get it across all of your devices with the AI features baked in, this is seriously a no-brainer application. And even one of my favorite parts is watermarking. You can add a watermark to a document, or you can even use AI to remove a watermark. The content creator and the businessman in me says don't do that, but it's there for educational purposes if you're ever to use that. But seriously, be careful with that. But seriously guys, I can't say enough good things about this app. Not just because they're paying me to make this video, because they are, but it's a legitimate good tool. As somebody that runs a business, as somebody also runs a YouTube channel here, I deal with documentation all the time. PDF sending and receiving, marking up, changing, signing, annotating. I do it a lot. And the ability to have a one-stop shop solution that syncs across all of my devices wherever I'm at and has AI to be able to pull information, summarize, and help me write the document as I'm going, it's just game-changing. And so absolutely love UPDF. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. Check out the links below in the description and in the comments to learn more about UPDF and try it for yourself. And let me know what you think of it. Respond back, leave me a comment, send me a message. It's very cool software, and so I'm excited to be able to share it with you. But anyways, that's gonna do it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.